Now moving on, viewers, major terror consignment sent from Pakistan for targeted killings in Punjab have been recovered by the BSF, and in a joint operation by the BSF and Punjab police, they have recovered 6 pistols with 14 magazines in the border area of Amritsar. And this particular terror consignment was airdropped by drones on a large packet, with a large packet wrapped in yellow color with adhesive tape and a metal wire ring attached to it. It has been recovered. It's a big breakthrough for our forces as far as arms smuggling is concerned. Gursimran is also live with us. Gursimran, tell us more about the latest coming in as far as the recovery of this terror consignment.
See, it is in the forward area of the Mahava village in the Amritsar border where the deployment of the BSF and the Punjab police was there, and during a regular search, they found a consignment of terror that was dropped using drone from the Pakistani side. This was dropped using the drone consignment. This was a drone consignment, and drone mechanism was used to drop this into the Indian territory. The forces have recovered 6 pistols along with the 14 magazines, and the 6 pistols that have been recovered are of the Norinco company, which is a state-owned defense company of the China. And there have been several incidents in the past as well where the Norinco pistols were being pushed from across the border into the Indian territory for the targeted killings. This also seems to be, for the Punjab police and the investigating agencies, an attempt by the Pakistan to push more and more weapons into the Indian territory so that they can be given to their handlers, be it the gangster or the terrorist in Punjab, to carry out the targeted killings. Because the recent spate of grenade attacks in Pakistan by the Pakistani agencies in Punjab, that also hints towards a larger nexus that the Pakistan is trying to destabilize Punjab by carrying out these acts of terror. And this also was one such attempt by the adversary, but that has been foiled due to the alertness of the border security force as well as the security forces in the Punjab that have worked jointly with the BSF to foil this attempt, and has recovered a huge consignment of these weapons being smuggled from across the border. Now with the recovery of 6 pistols and 14 magazines, that too of the Norinco, the Chinese state-owned company, now the security forces and the investigating agencies are looking into the forward and the backward linkages so that they can work upon that who were to receive this consignment and who is the one who is sending it from across the border.
Right, Gursimran, thank you for joining me with those details. It's time for us to take a look at the other stories that we're tracking from across Bharat in 5 minutes. 35 people were injured after a bus carrying devotees who were going for Dev Darshan tour to Nashik and Shirdi in Maharashtra from Andhra Pradesh collided with a parked truck in Buldana. 10 patients have been admitted in the Buldana Civil Hospital. Out of those injured, 3 remain in critical condition.